What's the meaning of camaraderie? Camaraderie. Camaraderie.
Camaraderie. Camaraderie. Camaraderie is a noun that refers to the feeling of trust and friendship among a group of people who share a common purpose. It is often used to describe the bond that develops among soldiers who have been through difficult experiences together, but it can also apply to any group of people who share a sense of unity and mutual support. The result of camaraderie is a strong sense of teamwork and cooperation, as well as a shared commitment to achieving a goal. When people feel a sense of camaraderie, they are more likely to be motivated and engaged in their work or activities, and they are less likely to experience feelings of isolation or disconnection.